2019, the Wyoming NASA Space Grant began the LIFT project, a new chapter of its high-altitude balloon program funded by the National Science Foundation. Through the LIFT project, undergraduate students from the University of Wyoming helped the Space Grant develop new K-12 high-altitude balloon projects focused on science and engineering. Our hope is that this will provide a more engaging and scientifically enriching experience for the K-12 students that participate in high-altitude balloon events in the future. In 2021, our microbe team built upon a project from the previous year that sought to collect microbes in the stratosphere. They redesigned the payload to allow the sampling tubes to open more efficiently in lower temperatures, even testing it out in an environmental chamber on campus. The K-12 outreach side of the project brought them to Laramie High School, where they worked with a class of 9th grade biology students over the course of several weeks. In this time, the students explored microbes and the environments in which they thrive. But they also learned about swabbing, culturing, and other aspects of the project, including bacterial analysis and the engineering process required to build the payload. Finally, on a cold, snowy November morning, we attached the payload to a balloon and sent it on its way, crossing our fingers that the new design would allow the sampling tubes to open correctly. The new payload design was a resounding success. The post-launch lab analysis showed a very tiny amount of bacterial growth from the samples, meaning that we may have indeed successfully collected a few microbes in flight. Whatever the case, it was a wonderful way to cap off the 2021 LIFT project.